before I saw the light of morning. A comradeship of heroes was laid. From every corner of the world came sailing the 5th International Brigade. They came to stand beside the Spanish people to try and stem the rising fascist tide. Franco's allies were the powerful and the wealthy. Frank Ryan's men came from another side. Even the olives were bleeding as the battle for Madrid it thundered on. Truth and love against the force of evil, brotherhood against the fascist clan. Viva la Quinta Brigada, the passer and the pledge that made them fight. Adelante is the cry around the hillside. Let us all remember them tonight. Many Irishmen, they heard the call of Franco, joined Hitler and Mussolini too. Propaganda from the pulpit and newspapers helped old Duffy to enlist his crew. The word came from Maynooth, support the Nazis. The men of cloth failed us again. The bishops blessed the blue shirts in Dunleira as they sail beneath the swastika to Spain. Viva la Quinta Brigada, no passer and the pledge that made them fight. Adelante is the cry around the hillside. Let us all remember them tonight. Bob Hilliard was a Church of Ireland pastor. From Killarney to the Pyrenees he came. From Derry came a brave young Christian brother, for side by side they fought and died in Spain. This song is a tribute to Frank Ryan, Kid Conway and Dinny Cody too. Peter Daly, Charlie Regan and Hugh Bonner. Though many died, I can but name a few. Viva la Quinta Brigada, no passer and the pledge that made them fight. Adelante is the cry around the hillside. Let us all remember them tonight. Blazer Brown, Charlie Donnelly, Liam Tomlinson, Jim Straney, Jack Nalty, Tommy Patton, Frank Conroy, Jim Foley, Tony Fox, Dick O'Neill,